Here we have the never-before-seen original ending to the Top of the World video in Georgia. So this clip driving home was supposed to be the end of the video, but I liked my monologue so much at the end, I decided to let the adventure end right there and save this for part 2. And with the sun going down, the adventure had come to an end. Top of the World in Georgia, which is the FDR State Park Overlook, was a blast. I hope you enjoyed both parts of the video.